Good morning. So today we are going to continue with our conversation about verbs be and have. So let's look at the projectable and look at what the little cheat sheet says. It says many phrases use the verbs be and have. A verb phrase is the part of the sentence that shows the action. The whole verb phrase acts as a verb. So let's look at the example. Shayna is learning about desert habitats. Is learning is our entire verb phrase, and our verb for be or have is is. Is a form of be. So let's go through this assignment so you can understand what you need to do for your independent page. So the directions say underline the verb phrase in each sentence, circle the form of be or have. Number one, I am taking my compass out of my backpack. Well, my verb phrase is am taking, and am is my form of be or have. Number two, we are passing this same rock over and over again. Are passing is my verb phrase, and are is my form of be or have. Number three, you have to show me the way to our car. Have to show is our verb phrase, and obviously have is our form of be or have. Number four, it had to be a rainy day today. Had to be is our verb phrase, and had is our form of be or have. We don't have to underline be here. Number five, the wet plant leaves were dripping on my head. Were dripping is our verb phrase, and were is our form of be or have. Number six, after we get home, I am going to rip my map. Am going is our verb phrase, and am is our form of be or have. It had not helped me at all. Had not helped is our verb phrase, and had is our form of be or have. And number eight, we have to get a better map for our next trip. Have to get is our verb phrase, and obviously have is our form of be or have. Okay, so now let's look at this other page. We are going to be doing the same kind of idea, just a little bit differently. A verb phrase contains more than one verb. The verbs could, should, would, or must are followed by another verb to make a verb phrase. The second verb in the verb phrase is often be or have. So let's look at 1 through 4. Read each sentence, write be or have on the line to complete your phrase. I'm going to do one in the first one for you and one in the second section for you. During the summer, the desert must blank hot in the afternoon. So all you're choosing is between the word be or have. So let's put both in and see which makes sense. During the summer, the desert must be hot in the afternoon, or during the summer, the desert must have hot in the afternoon. Well, have doesn't make sense, so our answer for number one is B. And for number 5, read each sentence, choose the verb in parentheses that best fits the meaning of the sentence. Write the verb on the line. If you don't want to write it on the line, that's okay. You can just circle it. The children blank have been tired after the long walk. The children must have been tired after the long walk, or the children could have been tired after the long walk. Now, both of them sound pretty good to each other, right? Must have, could have, but you need to ask yourself, what is the context of this sentence? We are trying to tell our reader that the children are definitely tired. So must indicates that they are definitely tired, whereas could doesn't really clarify that. So for number 6, the answer is must. Or for number 5, rather. Now let's look at number 6. Let's do another one. Don't worry, I blank be home before the thunderstorm hits. I would be home before the thunderstorm hits. I should be home before the thunderstorm hits. Now, both of them can sound okay. I would be home before the thunderstorm hits. I should be home. We need to ask ourselves, what is the context of this sentence? I'm letting my reader or the person I'm speaking to know that there is a chance that maybe I won't be home. So we need to pick the one that would indicate that it's not 100% certain. And in that instance, the word here should be should. As you know, I cannot write on these computers because I do not have a touchscreen like you guys do. Okay, if you guys have any questions, just let myself, Miss Cook, or Mr. B know in Google Classroom. Have a great day.